Welcome to our tutorial on managing in-app vibrations in the IMO app. If you're finding the vibrations during chats or notifications distracting, this guide will show you how to turn them off, ensuring a quieter and more focused experience. Let's begin the steps. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After that, look for the Notifications section and tap on it. Scroll down through the notification settings until you find the option labeled In-App Vibration. Finally, toggle the In-App Vibration setting to Off to disable vibrations during in-app notifications. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off in-app vibrations in the IMO app, leading to a more peaceful and uninterrupted experience. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.